Hello, my name is Robert Herrera with Skip Court Mediation, and today I want to talk to you about a question that I get asked very frequently, and that is, what exactly is mediation? Well, mediation is an alternative dispute resolution process. Now, most folks are familiar with when they have a dispute or disagreement with another party that they're going to go get an attorney, and that attorney is going to file some paperwork with the court, and the court is then going to hear out their dispute and then vindicate their rights. Well, that is one way to resolve or try to resolve a dispute, but that method, getting the courts involved, typically costs a lot more money and is very time-consuming and emotionally taxing on all the parties involved. Mediation is an alternative to that, and in the mediation process, what happens is the parties will hire a mediator who is a neutral third party to listen to the issues and the parties' dispute. That mediator is somebody who typically has some specialized knowledge or background in the area in which the dispute is about, and what that mediator will do is bring those parties together and make them have very difficult discussions about the issues and what is going on in the scenario, and helps the parties navigate their way through these difficult discussions to try and reach a resolution that the parties come up with on their own on how to fix whatever problem they're going through. Now, the parties are usually the best ones to come up with that resolution because they're familiar with the situation and they know what's going to work for them and what's not going to work for them. And if during the mediation session the parties are able to reach an agreement, typically the mediator will then draft up the agreement that the parties have made. It's known as a memorandum of understanding, and then that document will be printed and signed by each of the parties who are there, and that then becomes their legally binding agreement as to how they are resolving their own dispute. And if need be, if a party breaches that agreement at some point at a later date, they can then take it to court and the court can address the issues that they have there. So typically with a mediation, you are spending significantly less money to resolve your dispute. Most mediation sessions are anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, and your time frame is much more adhered to in the mediation sessions. Most mediation sessions, when you contact and agree upon a mediator, can get heard within a week or 2 weeks time frame, whereas if you are filing the same dispute in the courts, it may be months or years before you actually get heard over the issue there. So that is what mediation is. If you have any additional questions about mediation and how it might be able to help you in whatever conflict that you may be going through, please feel free to give Skip Court Mediation a call. Our number is 970-888-1375. Thank you.